light of His word. What a glory He sheds on our way. While we do His good will, He abides with us still.
Una, good morning, all of una wey dey listen to me today. My name na Williams Glory, and I bring una the Open Heavens on the go for Pidgin. The Open Heavens na daily devotional book wey the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye write. Today na Tuesday 26th March 2024, and our topic today na learn from elders. Our memory verse dey for Exodus chapter 18 verse 19, and it talks say, "So I go advise you, and God go dey with you." Now you go stand before God for these people, can't take their matter go meet am. Our Bible reading na for Exodus chapter 18 verse 1 to 24. Jethro, Moses wife papa, wey be priest for Midian, come hear all the things wey God don do for Moses and Israel people. How God take free them from Egypt. So Jethro come bring Zipporah, Moses wife wey Moses been live for Midian, and his two sons, Gershom, because Moses say, "I be stranger for another land," and Eliezer, wey mean say na our papa God help and na him save me from Pharaoh. Jethro carry Moses wife and him two sons go meet Moses for inside the wilderness where they dey for God mountain. But he first send message to Moses say, "I dey come with your wife and your two pikin o." So Moses go meet him wife papa. He bow down to am, he come kiss am. Then greet each other, then they come enter house. Moses tell him wife papa everything wey God do for Pharaoh and Egypt people because of Israel people. The things when they suffer for road and how God take save them. Then Jethro come dey happy for all the good things wey papa God do for Israel people wey he save from Egypt. Jethro come say, make una bless about God wey save una from Pharaoh and Egypt people. The God wey save him people from suffer. Now I know say God big pass all the gods, because the people don dey saved from Egypt people power. Egypt people wey wicked and like yanga well well. Then Jethro come sacrifice and burn offering for God. So Aaron and all the elders for Israel join Moses wife papa chop the food for God presence. The next day, Moses sit down to judge case, and people gather round am from morning till evening. When him wife papa see all the things wey Moses dey do for the people, he come ask am, "Why you dey do all these things for these people? Na only you sit down dey judge from morning go reach evening?" Moses answer am, "These people dey come meet me so that dem go know wetin God talk. When dem get any matter, the people go come and I go judge, and I go let them know God's command, him rules and him laws." Then Moses wife papa tell am, "The things wey you dey do good o, but you go tire one day. Both you and the people wey dey with you, because the thing too heavy for you, and only you no go fit carry the load. So I go advise you, and God go dey with you. Now you go stand before God for these people, come take their matter go meet am. Make you teach them God command and law, and make them know how to live and work as God want am. But make you choose good men for the people, men wey dey fear God and wey dey talk true. Those wey no dey play wayo, then you come make them rulers over the people. Some fit rule thousands, others fit rule 100, some go rule 50, while some go rule 10. They go come judge the people, and any matter wey big pass them, they go bring am come meet you. But na them go dey judge all the small small matter. Like this, they go follow you share for the load. If you do this thing, and if na God really command you, then the work go easy for you, and the people go happy go house." So Moses lis ten to him wife papa, he can't do all the things when he tell am. Now the message. Many young people these days, they see their elders as old school, and they think say they fit do without their elders. Na big mistake that they make so. I know say technology don advance well well nowadays, and I know say youth get many access to information pass before, but e no get as they get all these things reach. E get one thing wey elders get wey dem no get, and that thing na experience. Elders don waka the road wey you dey waka now, and dem fit tell you the result of anything wey you dey do even before you start to do am. Their experience pass wetin internet fit show you o. Some of them don make mistake for their life wey you no suppose to make if you allow them make dem guide you. But the problem be say many of the youth these days, dem dey always think say dem wise, and that kind thinking go put them for trouble. E get one popular proverb for Africa wey talk say wetin elderly people fit see when dem sit down, pikin no fit see am even though dem climb iroko tree. I learn plenty things from late Papa SG Elton O. Although e get some kind advice when e bin dey give me when e dey alive, wey I dey always dey think say the advice no good. Today I know say the advice good well well o, and I thank God say I lis ten to am that time. E get some kind things about yourself wey you no go know and you no fit see, but elders go see them, then they go come advise you well well. Proverbs chapter 30 verse 12 talk say dem believe say dem good for their own eye, but dem dirty pass rag. You fit dey think say the talent wey you get and all the things wey you know don dey okay to make you dey successful, but na elder go fit point out all your bad character wey you must comot for your life if you really wan dey successful for this life. If dem employ you for any organization, you need to respect those people wey don tey for there before you join them. For church o, hear wetin elders wan talk. For house, no ignore the advice wey your mama, your grandma, your grandpa, your papa, your uncle, your aunty give you o. If you do this kind thing, they go share their experience give you, and by Holy Spirit help, spirit of wisdom according to Isaiah chapter 11 verse 2, you go start to dey gather their advice together with wisdom. Na this one go make you dey above your mate for this life o. The main point for today's message be say the elders wey dey your life, dem dey there to guide you with their experience. Make you lis ten to them and make you respect them. I thank una as una lis ten to the Open Heavens on the Go for Pidgin. My name na Williams Glory. Make una enjoy the rest of una day o, till we go meet again tomorrow. Una bye bye.
In Jesus, but to trust and